Hi guys, I want to talk to you about why prayer is like bowling. I think it's like bowling because most of us aren't very good at it. Or we think things like, maybe I should practice more. Maybe if I bowled once a week, I'd get better at it. I have a biblical formula to show you how to pray where you hit a strike every time you pray. One of the reasons we're not praying successfully is we're not confident. We feel like, just like with bowling, I'm going to throw the ball and it's going to go in the gutter. I know it. But listen to this verse in 1 John 5, verse 14. This is the confidence we have in Him. If we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. And if we know He hears us, whatever we ask, we know that we have the petitions we've asked of Him. Your guarantee of praying and hitting that target is asking things that are His will to start with. So when you're praying, pray according to the will of God. Pray His will be done. Pray for the sick according to His will. By your stripes, Jesus, they are healed. Pray for salvation for whoever you're praying for, because we know His desire is for everyone to be saved. Get that confidence because you know you're praying in the will of God. Second, 1 John 3, verse 21, Beloved, if our heart does not condemn us, we have confidence before God. And whatever we ask, we receive from Him because we keep His commandments and do those things that are pleasing in His sight. And this is His commandment, that we believe on the name of His Son, Jesus Christ, and love one another. So one of the reasons you're not getting breakthrough in prayer is you're not in obedience in your heart. It says the two things that guarantee that answer is believe. Believe in His Son's name. Believe in Jesus. Second, love one another. God is not going to answer a prayer of vindication against your enemy. That's not going to happen. God, smite that person. We're in the new covenant now. You got to pray because you love, because you forgive. Obey Jesus. And then your prayers are going to be with confidence. And He's going to guarantee we have what we've asked of Him. In Mark 11, Jesus says, whatever you ask, praying, it will be done. And then right after it says, and when you stand praying, forgive. We got to have a heart like Jesus, come into His will, and then when we pray, we're going to hit that strike every time. Bless you. Bye. I'm doing an audio right now